Hey, I'm back again for another video in the extra credit mini series. In this one, I will be talking about the process of emulsification. So, what is emulsification? Pretty much before, don't listen to this part, but pretty much what emulsification is it's the process of taking a fat globule and breaking it down into smaller clusters so that what's it called again? So that the pancreatic lipase can actually access it and help tear it down and convert it to proteins and minerals so our body can digest it. So all of this is involved with the digestive system. So as I mentioned right here, it takes the fat globule and what happens is there's this thing called bile, right? So bile, over here. So bile actually there's a bile acid, right, and the bile acid creates these thing called bile salts. Bile salts is what goes into the fat globule and breaks it down, so that way it turns into the what's it called again, the emulsification droplets, so that way the lipase can actually go in there and extract it and break it down for the nutrients. So the bowels of fluid. It's also made in the liver, but it is stored in the gallbladder. And this lipid is used to break down the fatty acids into emulsification drops. So it actually, as I mentioned before, it uses the bile salts to really break down that fat into a more accessible to an enzyme called the pancreatic lipase. One second. Hey, I'm back. Sorry about that. So the bile breaks down the fat globule and creates the emulsification droplets. Once the emulsification droplets are created, that allows for the pancreatic lipase, which is an enzyme, accesses the fat through the cracks which are created by the bowel salts. This allows for them to hydrolyze triglycerides to fatty acids and glycerol. So what happens then is that it allows the fatty acids or the it allows for the fatty it allows for the it allows for the emulsification droplets, the fat droplets from the fat globule. It breaks them down, takes their minerals, their proteins, and spreads it throughout the body. And with that, that actually does end up completing the emulsification process. This video is shorter than the other ones that are going to be coming up because the emulsification process in the book is very short. It is actually one step in a bigger overall process, which is the digestive system. So I will be back for the third extra credit video very shortly. Thank you and take care.